Puerto Rico Governor Ricardo Rossello, on Saturday, said the damages to the island from superstorm Hurricane Maria is the greatest catastrophe in its modern history. Related towns evacuated as dam fails in Puerto Rico after Maria. Reports are that the country's Financial Administrative Board has given the government the green light to redistribute approximately $1 billion of its budget to use as emergency funds. But the governor pointed out that the newly available funding would not be sufficient to cover the extensive damage caused by the passage of Maria, and more money will be needed. Rossello explained that 1998's Hurricane George caused between $78 billion worth of damages to the island, adding that superstorm Maria's figures will be far above those numbers. The governor said Maria had claimed the lives of at least 10 people so far, and some 15,000 others were being housed in shelters. Additionally, a large number of the island's residents had previously been evacuated to the United States following Hurricane Irma. The main priority, Rossello said, is to restore electricity to the San Juan Medical Center. We do not have the resources to maintain each hospital in Puerto Rico. The country, which has a litany of inaccessible roadways following the hurricanes, is also without electricity and drinking water. Recovery and rescue efforts have also been complicated by a recently failed dam,